Alright, so basically what happened with the cops is there was another drone in the air that I saw, and they must have, one, either been flying without a lance, and two, might have been flying too high. Because when I talked to the cops, at first I thought, okay, maybe a neighbor called and is wondering what I'm doing, and they got the cops over here. But it was actually, when I talked to them, they said someone, I guess, put in a geo code or something into a computer, basically to be able to fly higher in the air. You wouldn't be able to fly a drone. Over in this area that I'm at currently, you can only fly 200 feet, and after that there are airplanes that are actually pretty low flying in, so you have to always be aware and fly down low. But later on, luckily I didn't get charged because it wasn't me. I was within my rights. A dude later on came in the middle of a baseball field and was talking, and he admitted, oh, it was him. He got a call and everything, but from the look of it, he had a badge, and what he was talking about sounded like he was like an undercover cop. But as you see to the left, he's in the middle, he has like a little bit of a gun too. So like I said, he could have been an undercover cop. He didn't seem like he got in the most trouble, but he seemed like he wasn't from the area either, so that's something. But I showed him the lance and things you're supposed to do beforehand. Could educate him a little bit, but other than that, successful day flying the drone. No more issues with the cops because I know I'm within my rights and I was doing everything correctly. So other than that, on to the next one. Thanks for watching.